Good morning, guys. Out where every vlog starts, or every day has started, taking Rosie potty. And like always, she's taking forever. We're going home today, yay! So we just got up and put everything away. I collapsed her crate and everything, and there's sand everywhere. And I'm going to be finding sand in my house for the next 6 years. Luckily, I won't live in my house for the next 6 years. I'm only gonna be living in my house for probably about 2 more. So, won't be a huge deal. So yeah. Come on, Rosie, we need to go potty. And you still haven't gone yet. So yeah, that's what's happening. Rosie's right there. She's being a slowpoke. They're washing the car off. Hello. So, people are getting bonsai trees. Here we are. She is so excited to be back home. She ran like 30 miles an hour all over the place. Hey guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. Rosie is very happy to be home. Anyway, I have 2 doctor's appointments tomorrow, which I think I'm gonna vlog. If Rosie does end up coming with me, because it's follow up from my cardiologist and all that fun stuff, and then normal doctor's appointments and fun times. Anyway, so that's what's happening, and yeah, so anyway, we're gonna end the vlog here, but I hope you've enjoyed our little vacation that we've taken. I hope you guys have had a fun time watching this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, hit the bell so you know when this video is. Comment down below, comment what your favorite part of this video was. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.